All right, what's going on, everybody? So I wanted to do a little bit of a after hours recap. The stock that I want to cover right now is MVIS. I did add more to my position here. If you watched the video I made on MVIS from yesterday, there was a key level that I said we needed to break above to get a little bit of a pop. That level here was going to be the $23 mark. The reason, this is the hourly chart, by the way. So the reason that I drew this trend line on the hourly chart here was you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, 6 candles, 7 candles. We either came to this resistance area here and pushed down, or in this case, we pushed up. In here, when we broke down, we really broke down. Looks like we tried to come up here and test again. We came up here and tested again. And then we finally were able to break through that $23 mark. So if you did watch the video from yesterday, that was a key level that I said to be on watch. It took about an hour worth of work on the hourly chart for it to go ahead and do that. But as soon as it did break through and confirm that $23 level, it did run all the way up to a high of $25.80, which is a fantastic move for a $20 stock. So a lot of times you hear a lot of people on social media, and you see like these case studies or these profits, and let's say I'll just use like Amazon, for example. This stock is a mega cap stock that can run 30, 40, 50, 60, $70 in a day. Small stock like MVIS is not going to run 20, 30, $40 in a day. Okay. So it did have a great day on Monday when it actually broke through this $19 area and ran up to 31, which is about a 10, 11 point move. That's a huge, 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 huge move for a $20 stock. So to get a point and a half, 2 points on a break is a great move for an intraday day trade. So if you caught that move, congratulations. As you can see, when we did come up here to the upper Bollinger Band, we did meet a little bit of supply and resistance, and then we back traced the rest of the day. We did lose the 50-day moving average as well as the 5 and the 10 and the 20-day on the hourly chart. However, if you come back here to this trend line here of $19.23, around $19, $20 seems to be a bounce spot. So you can see clearly here going back to Monday when we did break above, we tested once, and in 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, we did test this 6, 7 times here. So if you can take the top here at $31, draw a line here, a fictitious line down here to $19, $20, come up a little bit, meet resistance and supply at the upper Bollinger Band. Maybe tomorrow we come down and test this $19 or $20 area again, and then start to curl around and create this, what I would call the W pattern. So we can see we come down, we come up, maybe we come down, ride this area a little bit in the 19, 20, 21 area. And if we can break above this $23 again, we might get that next leg up. The next area of resistance is going to be $28. And I believe if we can bust through $28, we can retest all-time highs of 31. There is still a lot of option flow coming in for next month's 20, 25, and $30 calls, strikes. So next month, but I think that there's a lot of room for MVIS to make us all some money here. So just keep an eye on that. If you are swinging this or you are holding it and you're looking for more short term, and it starts to lose this $19 area here and break down below the lower Bollinger Band here, I don't really know if you'd want to consider holding that, because now that might turn into, the diamond hands, and it might turn into you kind of just having your capital sitting, losing money when there's other plays, especially in a hot market that we're in right now. Say what you want about the market. The market is strong. Futures right now are up about 100 points. Overall, the sentiment is still very, very bullish. So I do believe that if it loses the $19 area, why would you want to hold on to this stock? Unless you have a long-term game plan, unless you want to invest in this thing for 6 months, a year, maybe until they get acquired, maybe until they reach a partnership deal, maybe until they start selling their actual products. But if you're a short-term trader and you're looking for quick pops, you're looking for some short term gains, some quick scalps, You know, those are the kind of key levels you want to look for. $19, $20 as support. Look for the $23 break. And if we can get above this Bollinger Band here, which is about 24 and some change, if we can get above the 24 and some change area, we got nothing but open skies all the way up to all-time highs at $31. So I hope you guys found this video very entertaining. I hope you guys took some value from it, kind of, you know, looked at my chart, see what I'm seeing. If you do want to join my Discord, the link is going to be down in the description below. I just started it. I'm posting all of my, you know, all my signals, things that I'm watching, different chart ideas, so forth and so forth. And I'm going to be putting some training videos in there as well, just so you can kind of see how I trade and what I'm actually looking at. Just started that up. That link is down below in the description. I hope everyone has a great day tomorrow.